13th of October 2023. Here's Mannilantie 40 stekes A. We have filmed the stekes B here before. It's also here in Järvenpää, Träskända. Here in just outside Helsingfors region, Mannilantie, Finland, with 4 floors, built in 1987. They're 35 years old in 2002, but I don't know what the serial number was here.
Yeah.
You can check it, but can we see it from like... Sticks new. 4666.
Say it again.
6H64666.
Yes.
I saw it. So much. I pressed the alarm.
Yeah.
That's great. To check the serial number, I pressed the alarm button by mistake. But this is very funny.
Yeah.
Here in Järvenpää, Träskända, we should have a total of 19 elevators left to be filmed here. A few of them are the deltas in Järvenpää still.
Yeah.
Not more than 19. That's a maximum of 19.
Yeah.
And it's only less than 20.
Yeah.
Let's make a roll.
That's